entire door frame is gonna have to be replaced. We're gonna have to take up the plywood that's sitting on top of the that's for the subfloor. That's gotta be replaced. And look over here, that's gotta be replaced. That's gonna have to get replaced as well. Need to get the work done, give us a call. All right, we are standing on the deck now. We are standing on the deck. Need to get some work done, give us a call, 770-899-7432. Look, I made it disappear. Yeah, it's gone. All right, y'all, we done with this property. Everything is done. Let's do a quick walkthrough, and then it's time to get ready to go here to the next property. The customer just called me this morning. I don't think we might have to come back and do. I think she's gonna want us to cut these trees. So we'll come back and do that. But let's do a quick walk through here. Garage completely empty. That's the material that they're gonna use. House completely cleaned out.